Hi, I'm Mike from Family Handyman, and today we're going to be talking about some of the most common mistakes people might make while working with electricity on their home. Now, first up, at the electrical panel, when swapping out or adding a new circuit, you might run into a standard circuit breaker, which protects against the wiring and the equipment inside the box, but it doesn't protect people, which is why they've changed to a new standard, an arc fault circuit interrupter. This detects arcs in frayed wiring to protect your house from any fires that could be caused by those. Next up is a ground fault arc fault combination unit. When installing these things, you'll cover all of your bases. One project a lot of DIYers tackle by themselves is replacing your receptacles. Now, this is a great idea, but you have to make sure that you get the tamper-resistant receptacles. They are now code. They also come in a GFCI. Now let's move outside. You might recognize something like this. It's supposed to protect the outlet from the elements, but it doesn't do a very good job when there's something plugged in. That's why we've moved towards these bubble outlet covers. It does a whole lot better job protecting those things from the elements. Another common mistake people make is using the space in front of their electrical panel as storage. The electrical panel needs to be readily accessible in case it needs to be worked on in a hurry. Now I need to move these boxes away, but I should have 30 inches wide, 36 inches deep, and 6 foot 8 inches high clear for access. Basically, it's the size of a refrigerator around the electrical panel. If you've got that, you're good to go. So for more hints, tips, and tricks and electrical advice, head to FamilyHandyman.com.